Hello again, everyone. Welcome to our breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Royale box break number 30. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is ending 190-574-934. That's ending 190-574-934. Here you go. Good luck, everybody. Got a redemption. As far as Sovereign Sings of Joel Colburn. I have to check the checklist to see what team he's on. It's probably the Leafs. But he is with Flames now. Second redemption, the rookie silhouette of Justin Schultz. The card goes to the Oilers. Gold rookie of Kevin Henderson, 121 out of 499 for the Predators. And we have a Regal Achievements card for the Sabres of Dave Andrechuk. And we have a Regal Achievements jersey card of Patrick Wong for the Avalanche. And base to finish it off. So let me just quickly go to the Panini website. So there we go. Sovereign Sings, card number 57, goes to the Flames. Joel Colburn goes to Calgary. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.